Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to enable Facebook followers option. Let's see my Facebook profile first. This is my Facebook profile. You can see lots of icons and links, but there's now follow option and icon. If you like to add your Instagram, Twitter links just like this, click here, or check the video description. Let's enable follow option. Click the setting in privacy. Click again setting. Scroll down and find the public posts icon. Here is it. Click on it. Then mark on all as public. Jump back to your profile. Click the edit public details. Just click again edit button of details. Now you can see follow option here. You can simply enable it. If you can't find this icon, you don't have one of followers, ask a friend just follow your profile. Then you can see this followers icon. After enable it, jump back to your profile. Now you can see your followers here. If you like to get more followers, just click here or check the video description. Is this video helpful? Just give me a like. Subscribe me to watch future videos. If you have any trouble, just comment me. Thanks for watching.